Hey, I just got this very impressive stick vacuum here from Mahomo. It's the Nova V5. It is great. This one has 550 watts and 29.6 volt battery. So this thing can last for a long time. It has about 30 minutes of use between charges. And this is what it looks like when it's charging. Very easy to see. Nice LED display. Show you that it's actually charging. As you can tell, it's very lightweight, but it does have very strong suction power. I like the clear canister here. It's very easy to open and empty. Check out the tangle-free brushes that it has here. As you can see here, it has a self-stand mode, so you don't have to lay it down or lean it up against anything. It can stand all by itself. It also has a built-in light. Can be used on carpet or on bare floors. It is very easy to turn and maneuver. The swivel head makes it very easy to do that. You can even get it under things like the couch. You can see the suction is great. You can even adjust the handle here so it can slide to different lengths. You can shorten it up like that. You can easily take this apart. You can just use a handheld accessory like that. Now you have a handheld vacuum. And then I have this piece here that I have a wider opening for, or I can extend that out and have a brush tip on it. Another option is to have the extended pole on with the accessory tips as well. So this way you can reach up high, get those nasty cobwebs. This handheld stick vacuum makes it so much easier to do stairs than lugging that big vacuum all the way around. Emptying it is a breeze. You simply push this button. So there you have it. That's all the features here of this stick vacuum from Mahomo. It's the Nova V5. I really like it. It has great suction. It keeps a long battery life. Very easy to use.